Welcome back to US Car Review. This extraordinary vehicle represents a bold fusion of hypercar DNA and next-generation luxury motorhome engineering, created for those who demand absolute dominance on the road. Its design philosophy is inspired by speed, prestige, and futuristic architecture, blending aggressive automotive performance styling with the commanding presence of a rolling luxury mansion. Every angle communicates power, wealth, and innovation, making it instantly attractive to the American public that values freedom, road presence, and uncompromising performance. This vehicle is not merely transportation, it is a moving symbol of status, engineering excellence, and futuristic ambition. The overall shape of the vehicle is sculpted with aerodynamic intelligence, combining sharp performance-oriented lines with smooth, flowing surfaces. The front profile is bold and imposing, featuring a wide stance and an aggressive nose that resembles a high-performance hypercar rather than a conventional RV. The sweeping curves and sculpted edges reduce air resistance while enhancing visual drama. The roofline flows seamlessly toward the rear, creating a dynamic silhouette that looks fast even when standing still. This design approach gives the vehicle a commanding road presence that instantly captures attention on American highways. The body structure is engineered using a combination of aerospace-grade aluminum, carbon fiber reinforced panels, and high-strength steel framing. This advanced material selection ensures exceptional durability while keeping overall weight optimized for performance. The reinforced chassis is designed to allow high-speed stability, smooth long-distance cruising, and superior crash protection. The elevated upper deck expands outward in a precision-engineered cantilever design, providing panoramic views while maintaining structural integrity and balance. Color plays a vital role in the vehicle's visual dominance. The exterior features a sophisticated combination of deep matte black and metallic gold accents, symbolizing power, luxury, and exclusivity. The black surfaces absorb light, emphasizing stealth and authority, while the gold panels reflect premium craftsmanship and elite status. Subtle carbon fiber textures add a modern motorsport feel, while high-gloss finishes in selected areas enhance contrast and depth. This color scheme resonates strongly with American luxury buyers who associate bold contrast with success and confidence. The front fascia is designed to be instantly recognizable and intimidating. A large, sculpted grille dominates the center, framed by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that adapt intelligently to driving conditions. These headlights provide maximum illumination while maintaining a sleek, futuristic appearance. Integrated air intakes channel airflow efficiently toward the cooling systems and brakes, ensuring optimal performance even under extreme conditions. The front bumper is reinforced and aerodynamically shaped to manage airflow while protecting critical components. From the side profile, the vehicle's massive scale becomes fully apparent. Oversized performance wheels with low profile, high-load tires are engineered to handle extreme weight without compromising grip or ride comfort. The multi-axle configuration improves weight distribution and road stability, allowing smooth handling despite the vehicle's size. Side steps and integrated staircases are seamlessly blended into the body design, providing easy access while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. The rear section continues the theme of power and sophistication. Full-width LED taillights create a bold visual signature, while integrated exhaust outlets and cooling vents hint at the immense power hidden beneath the body. The rear structure is reinforced to support towing capabilities, additional storage systems, and advanced suspension components. Every detail is carefully balanced between form and function, ensuring the vehicle looks as powerful as it performs. At the heart of this machine lies an exceptionally powerful engine system designed to deliver unmatched performance for a vehicle of this class. The powertrain is built around a high-output twin-turbocharged V16 or advanced hybrid-assisted diesel engine, capable of producing extreme torque and sustained horsepower. This engine is engineered for long-distance reliability while maintaining explosive acceleration when needed. Advanced fuel injection systems, high-efficiency turbochargers, and intelligent engine management software ensure optimal performance across all driving conditions. The transmission system is a heavy-duty, multi-speed automatic gearbox designed to handle immense torque loads smoothly and efficiently. Gear shifts are seamless and responsive, allowing the driver to enjoy effortless cruising or assertive acceleration with confidence. An intelligent all-wheel drive system distributes power dynamically across all axles, ensuring superior traction on highways, mountain roads, deserts, and adverse weather conditions common across the United States. The suspension system is a masterpiece of engineering, combining adaptive air suspension with electronically controlled dampers. This setup automatically adjusts ride height and stiffness based on road conditions, speed, and load. Whether cruising on smooth highways or navigating uneven terrain, the vehicle remains stable, comfortable, and controlled. Independent suspension on each axle ensures superior ride quality, even under maximum payload conditions. Braking performance is equally impressive, featuring oversized carbon ceramic brake discs paired with high-performance multi-piston calipers. This braking system delivers exceptional stopping power, fade resistance, and safety, even at high speeds or when carrying heavy loads. Advanced electronic braking assistance systems further enhance control and stability during emergency maneuvers. Under the body, advanced cooling systems manage engine heat, transmission temperatures, and electrical components. High-capacity radiators, active airflow channels, and intelligent cooling fans ensure optimal thermal performance. These systems are designed for the demanding climates of the USA, from desert heat to cold mountain regions. The vehicle's electrical architecture supports next-generation technology, including advanced driver assistance systems, autonomous driving features, and smart energy management. Integrated sensors, cameras, and radar systems provide real-time data to enhance safety and driving confidence. This technology-forward approach appeals strongly to American consumers who value innovation and cutting-edge engineering. In conclusion, this vehicle represents the ultimate expression of power, luxury, and futuristic design. Its bold shape, aggressive styling, premium color scheme, and extreme engine performance create a road-dominating presence unlike anything else. Designed to capture the imagination of the USA public, it blends freedom, strength, and sophistication into a single moving masterpiece. This is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of ambition, success, and the future of luxury mobility. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.